So guys, in this project, we'll be implementing one like QA application over the PDF file. So here we'll be loading a PDF file. On top of that, we'll be performing the QA operation. So again, we'll be using the level 1 architecture here. So here I already created this .py file. Inside that, I have already mentioned all the code. Okay, the code actually I'm running inside my Jupyter Notebook file. So after the Jupyter Notebook file, you can also execute this .py file. Okay. And how to execute, I already told you. Open up your terminal and execute Python this file name. Okay, it will execute that particular file. Now here, first of all, I will load my environment. Now let's load the OpenAI API key. I will load my LLM. Then I will load the PDF file. So here in the data folder, I'm having some PDF file you can see. So I'm loading this PDF file, be good PDF file. So let me load this PDF file. So it is available here, be good. So this is the PDF file. Okay, so inside that we are having some text. So let's load this PDF file. So how to load the PDF file, I already showed you. Okay, with the help of LangChain. So PDF loader we can use and load the PDF. So it is having 11 pages. Okay, now if you want to see the content as well as the metadata, you can also print it. So here I'm only showing you 100 word actually content. You can also see the entire content. For this you can remove this particular line. Okay, now this application is going to be one RAG application, because here we are using the custom data, right? So for this, let's load our vector database embedding. Okay, I already told you the RAG component. So here I'm using ChromaDB vector database, OpenAI embedding model, then recursive character splitter for the chunking operation. That means we have to create the small chunks, and this is the chunk size, this is the chunks overlap. Then we are splitting the documents, we're storing the data. That means embedding in the vector database, which is my ChromaDB. Then we are getting the retriever object. So let me execute. Now we'll be creating our final chain. So here we can create the chain. So here we'll be using create retrieval chain. Okay, so to create the chain, guys, you just need to import this two library and as well as the prompt template. So this is my entire prompt template. So this is my entire prompt, and here I'm creating the prompt template. Okay, now you can see, first of all, I'm passing this LLM and prompt inside my create stuff document chain. Okay, then this particular chain actually I'm passing to my create retrieval chain. Okay, this particular object, that means the retriever I created. Retriever means my vector store, and as well as I'm passing my question answer chain. Okay, the chain actually I've created. Now this is going to be my final chain. Okay, RAG chain. Now here I can perform the invoke operation. So here I'm asking what is the article about. That means I want to know about this article. The article actually I have loaded, so it should give me the answer. See, the easy, be good, Paul Graham discussed the importance of the creating something that people want and not worrying too much making money. Okay, so this is the article all about. Now if you want to see the results, so this is the entire results. That means this is the input you given, and this is the context. Okay, that means which document it is referring. Okay, which page it is referring. It will give you the entire documents. It will give you the entire metadata, and this is the response actually. Okay. And this is the response actually I'm getting, which is I'm extracting here. Got it? Now if you want to see the metadata only, so you can execute like that. Okay, so that's how we can perform the QA operation over the PDF. Okay, we can create a RAG application, and this is called actually level 1 architecture, because it's a experiment. Okay, here we are not creating any kinds of UI.